Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Mr. House Husband. Today, we will have a tutorial on how to compute in addition. Tama ba, Gab?
Yep.
Okay, meron kaming dalawang klaseng paraan kung paano sumagot ng addition sa math. Basic math lang po tayo guys. Okay, una, sasagot si Gab using his fingers. May I see your fingers? How many fingers do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. How about the other one?
That's 5.
Oh,
Makes 10.
10 fingers. Okay, so gamit muna tayo guys ng fingers. Okay, Gab ha, sasagot ka using your fingers. 4 plus 3.
4 plus 3 equals
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. How about 2 plus 5?
2 plus 5.
Using your finger.
2 plus 5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What is the answer?
7.
7. Okay, so yan guys, nakita nyo kung paano sumagot.
Lucky 7.
Paano sumagot si Gab ng addition using his finger. Paano kung more than 10 na yung sagot? Hindi naman pwedeng gumamit ng daliri sa paa. So ngayon guys, gagamit siya ng mind and fingers. So magbibigay ako ng numbers.
Like bigger one.
The bigger number, saan mo ilalagay?
Sa mind.
Sa mind, and the smaller number is in your
Hand.
or finger.
Yeah.
Tama?
Yeah.
Okay, so ganito ang tinuro ko dyan. Bali ito guys, ang sagot lang dito is 11 to 20. Tama?
11 to 20.
20 ang sagot. Okay. Kasi ang finger ni Gab ay 10 lang. So hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng finger lang kapag more than 10 ang sagot. Okay, so are you ready, Gab?
Yep.
Okay, listen. 7 plus 3.
7 plus 3.
Hindi, kasya yan sa kasya yan sa daliri mo dahil ang sagot dyan is 10. Palitan natin. 8 plus 6. What is the bigger number? 8 or 6?
8.
Saan mo ilalagay yung 8?
Sa mind.
Sa mind. Okay. How about the smaller number?
Sa hand.
Sa hand or sa finger. Okay. 8 plus 6 is?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
What is the answer?
14.
Okay, 14. So, ganun guys yung turo ko sa kanya sa addition. Okay? So, 8 sa mind and 6 sa finger. So, ang ginawa niya, yung 8 nilagay niya sa mind and then continue counting the number 6. 6. Tama? Kasi 8 plus 6. Okay, another one. 9 plus 8. Sige. Tingnan natin guys kung matama siya.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, there.
Okay, what is your answer?
17.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's it? May isa shoutout ka ba? Shoutout mo si teacher.
Hello, teacher.
What is the name of your teacher?
Teacher, madam.
Teacher, madam? Michelle.
Michelle.
Okay, hi mo si Teacher Michelle.
Hello.
Yung mga friends mo.
Hello.
Okay, so bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye.
Okay, don't forget to
Like and subscribe to Mr. House Husband.